So let's make my husband's lunchbox. Rice, spinach dal, bitter gourd, some salad leaves and ghee. Here's some mushrooms I'm sauteing for my lunch as well as for breakfast for him. Mushrooms, anchovies, some salt on the mushrooms, a little bit of spinach, kimchi, homemade. And this is his breakfast. So mushrooms, making an omelette here with some onions and mushrooms and cheese, black pepper, and here's some dhokla or rice cakes made from lentils and rice. I'm going to crisp them up, and there they go. Some seasoning on top, some mayonnaise here, and butter on the rice cakes. How does it look?